Hello everybody, welcome to my fourth session. Well, in this video, I'll try to focus on calculation of arithmetic mean, discrete series. In discrete series, arithmetic mean may be computed by applying direct method or by shortcut method. Now for direct method, the formula is like this: mean is equal to summation fx by n. For shortcut method, mean is equal to a plus summation fd by n. Well, there is a problem here. Let us try to see the problem. Calculate arithmetic mean from the following data set, direct method. So marks are given here, and in the other column we have number of students. As we know, for direct method the formula is summation fx by n. Considering marks as x and number of students as f, we will try to calculate arithmetic mean through direct method. Solution: as we see that the marks here are given 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and number of students are also given here. So let us take here this, or let us consider this as f and this as x. Now the problem becomes very easy. We have to find fx. So we will just multiply these numbers. Here we will get 160. Here we will get 360, followed by 800, 500, 360 and 280. And we will get the total. We have to find the summation fx here. We will get a total of 2460. As f is also termed as n, because the formula is fx by n, so we have to calculate the frequency also, and here we can term this as n is equal to 60. Here we can write fx. Then it is very easy. As per the formula, it will be summation fx by n. So fx we got 2460 divided by 60, which is equal to 41. Hence we can write a interpretation. Hence the average marks equals to 41. Moving on, the same problem we can also figure out in terms of shortcut method. For shortcut method, the formula is a plus summation fd by n. The same problem I have taken, but we will try to figure it out in terms of shortcut method. So what we have to do here is we have to calculate the concept of assume mean. Assume mean is nothing but whatever we have in x, any number you can take, preferably the number which is in the middle. So let us take 40 as assume mean. So we can just write assume mean. Let us take it as 40, right? Then we will calculate d. Here fd is there. I told you here when you are talking about number of students, this can be considered as f. So we have to calculate d here. So how to calculate d? It's very easy. It's x minus the assume mean. So assume mean we have just taken assume mean as 40. So d will be x minus 40. So x numbers these are the numbers for x. So we just have to calculate 20 minus 40, we get minus 20. Then 30 minus 40, we get minus 10, followed by 0. Then we have plus 10, we have 20, and also 30, right? Then we will also have to calculate summation FD. D we have calculated here, F is here, so we will calculate FD, and we will get minus 160, minus 120, 0, 100, 120, 120. So we have to calculate this total, and this total FD will be, we can write the FD total here. F here should be small letter. So FD is 60. Now we have to just put it in the formula. Mean is equal to A. A we have calculated, we have taken as 40 plus FD. FD is 60 divided by N. N also is 60. If you calculate N, you will see the value of N is also 60. So we have to calculate only this much, 40 plus 60 divided by 60, which is equal to 40 plus 1 equals to 41. Okay, so here also we see the answer is all the same. If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. This is Dolin signing off. Take care and see you all in my next session.